In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate a YouTube script directly from any YouTube video convert it into a text, generate script out of it completely free of charge. And this tool is none other than the YouTube transcript.com. Okay, so you can just take in any YouTube. For example, I have this YouTube video on the Hoover Dam documentary that talks about the secret of engineering wonders. I can just copy the link from here and just go back to that particular website. Okay, you can paste it here and then go ahead and say get free script. So this is going to review the video and just going to give me the script directly. As fast as you can see, this is the entire script of what is being used inside the video. So this is the entire script. I can just go ahead, come over here and just copy the script, and then you can paste it somewhere and start using it for your content. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.